Hi there, let me show you how to enable or disable keyboard autocorrection on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. For this, we will need to open settings and here select the general tab. After this, we need to choose keyboard and now we can see all keyboard settings. So here is the autocorrection. When it's enabled, the phone will automatically correct when you make mistake or misclick something like this. Let me just show you. I'm gonna open this messages application and open chat with my friend. And now I'm gonna misclick and you can see that my phone autocorrects me like this. But if it annoys you, you can easily turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and now when you will misclick, the phone won't correct you, as you can see. So just choose which option suits you the best and enjoy chatting on your phone. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.